Buying a home is one of the biggest investments you'll ever make. But did you know that there's a crucial step that can save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches?
That's right, Elias. It is called a home inspection. And today we are going to demystify this essential part of the home buying process.
Hey there, future homeowners. I'm Elias.
And I'm Alejandra. We are your real estate brokers from Empire Fine Homes, here to help you navigate the exciting yet sometimes stressful journey of buying a home.
Today, we're tackling a topic that's often surrounded by questions and misconceptions: home inspections.
Whether you are a first-time home buyer or a seasoned investor, understanding the importance and process of a home inspection is crucial. So let's dive in answering 6 of the most common questions we get about home inspections.
First off, what exactly is a home inspection?
A home inspection is an assessment of the physical condition of a house. A professional home inspector will check the condition of the structure and systems like plumbing, electrical, heating, and cooling, as well as any built-in appliances.
You'll get a detailed report from the inspector, which may include an estimated cost for repairs and replacements. However, it's important to note the inspector won't tell you whether or not you should buy the house.
So do you need a home inspection? Generally, yes. It is almost always a good idea to get one done. Here's 4 reasons why.
Number 1, leverage in negotiations.
When you put in an offer on a home, you need to know exactly what you are buying. If a home inspection uncovers major issues like leaky roof, cracked foundation, or drafted windows, it could significantly impact the offer.
These issues can cost thousands of dollars to fix. Being aware of them gives you a strong case for negotiating a lower price or asking the seller to make repairs before you close the deal.
Reason number 2, peace of mind.
Buying a house is a huge investment, and knowing that your future home is in good condition can ease a lot of stress. This is especially true if you don't have the budget for any unexpected repairs.
Reason number 3, knowing what needs to be fixed upfront.
A home inspection will highlight any repairs that need to be addressed. Some buyers waive the inspection contingency, but still get an inspection for information purposes. This way they know what they're getting into and can prioritize necessary repairs.
And reason number 4, setting realistic expectations.
Sometimes a house can look perfect, but there can be hidden issues. A good inspector will look at everything and help you understand the true condition of the home, so you know what needs the most attention.
In summary, while a home inspection may seem like an extra step and added cost, it is a crucial part of the home buying process. It protects your investment and gives you peace of mind.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real estate tips and advice.
Until next time, happy house hunting.